In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animated icons to your Notion pages. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to make your workspace more fun and visually engaging using simple animated GIFs. Let's start inside Notion. First, open the page where you want to add your animated icon. This could be a dashboard, a project page, a notes page, or anything you use regularly. It helps to think about where an animated icon would be most useful, like next to a section header, near a callout, or at the top of a page as a little visual accent. Once your page is open, make sure your cursor is exactly where you want the icon to appear. Now, in that spot, type the /, then the word embed with no spaces, embed. Notion will show you a list of options that start with that command. Choose the basic embed block. This is the tool that lets you display content from other websites directly inside your Notion page, and we're going to use it to show an animated GIF as an icon. Next, open your web browser and go to Giphy. Giphy is a large online library of GIFs and animated stickers, and it's perfect for finding small looping animations that work well as icons. Use the search bar at the top and type in a keyword that matches the theme of your Notion page, like coffee, tasks, productivity, or anything that fits your style. Once you see the results, scroll through and look for a simple, clean animation that will still look good at a small size. Stickers with transparent backgrounds often blend nicely into Notion. When you find one you like, click on it to open its dedicated page. Here, copy the GIF link or URL provided by Giphy. Make sure you're copying the direct GIF or media link, not just the page address from your browser, so that Notion can embed it correctly. Go back to Notion, where your embed block is waiting. Click into the URL field and paste the link you just copied from Giphy. You should see the link appear inside the embed dialog. Finally, click the button that says Embed Link. Notion will process the URL and then display your animated icon right in the page. You can drag the corners of the embed to resize it, or reposition the block to get the placement just right. And that's it. You've successfully added an animated icon to your Notion page using Giphy and the embed block.